everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam. And today, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to make a phone call in English, but you didn't?
Yes, that moment is scary. You look at your phone, you think, what will I say?
And then you don't call.
Or you wait and wait.
And maybe you send a message instead.
Yes, safe option.
But sometimes you must call.
Yes, real life needs speaking. Today, we will practice phone calls.
Step by step.
Simple English.
Real talk, real situations.
And hey, if you like learning like this,
Real talk, real situations.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps you improve every day.
Okay, imagine this. You need to call a restaurant.
Oh no, phone call, no face, more scary.
Yes, no face, only voice.
I feel more nervous already.
It's okay, we go slowly.
Okay, I'm ready.
You take your phone.
My hand is shaking a little.
That's normal. You press call.
Ring, ring, oh no.
Someone answers. Hello?
What do I say first?
Start simple. Say hello.
Hello.
Then say why you are calling.
Okay.
You would like to make a reservation.
A little long.
Say slowly.
I would like to make a reservation.
Perfect.
What is reservation?
It means booking a table.
Oh, okay.
You can also say, I want to book a table.
That's easier. I want to book a table.
Good. Let's practice full start. Hello, I would like to book a table.
Hello, I would like to book a table.
Very nice. Now the person asks, for how many?
Okay, easy. For 2 people.
Good.
Or for 3 people.
Yes. Now they ask, what time?
At 7 p.m.
Perfect. Say it again.
At 7 p.m.
Good.
What if I say wrong time?
Then you correct. Sorry, I mean 8 p.m.
Oh, useful. Sorry, I mean 8 p.m.
Very good. Now they ask your name.
Oh, simple. My name is Sam.
Perfect. Or, this is Sam.
This is Sam.
Nice.
What if I don't understand them?
Very important question. Say, can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Again.
Can you repeat, please?
Good. Or, sorry, I didn't understand.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Very useful.
I like these sentences.
They save you.
Yes, I feel safer.
Now the person says, okay, your table is booked.
Oh, nice.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Perfect. Then say, see you,
See you.
and end the call.
Done. I survived.
Yes, you did great.
I was scared before.
And now?
I feel better.
That's progress.
But phone calls are still hard.
Yes, so let's practice more. New situation.
Okay.
You call a friend.
That feels easier.
Phone rings.
Ring, ring.
Friend answers, hello.
I say hi.
Good. Add name.
Hi, this is Sam.
Perfect. Then ask, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
They say, I'm good.
And you?
I'm good too.
Nice.
This feels easy.
Because it's simple. Now say why you called.
I want to meet you.
Good. Or, are you free today?
Are you free today?
Very natural.
I like this.
Let's practice full call.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, this is Sam. How are you? Are you free today?
Perfect.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal.
I think I can try real call now.
Yes, you can.
My fear is smaller now.
Because you practiced.
Okay, what happens next?
Let's continue.
Okay, I'm still holding my phone.
You just made the reservation.
Yes, I feel a little proud.
But wait, something happens.
Uh-oh, what now?
You forgot to ask the address.
Oh no, yes, I forgot.
It's okay. Call again.
Again? I'm nervous.
That's normal, but now you are stronger.
Okay, I try.
Phone rings again.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello, sorry, I have a question.
Very good. Simple and polite.
What is your address?
Perfect.
What if I don't understand the address?
Good question. Say, can you repeat slowly?
Can you repeat slowly?
Or can you spell it?
Can you spell it?
Very useful,
I feel better now.
because you know what to say.
Yes, before I had no words.
And now you have tools.
Okay, I end the call again.
Good.
I feel more confident now.
I can hear that.
But phone calls still feel a little scary.
That's okay. We practice more. Now imagine someone calls you.
Oh, that's different.
Yes, now you answer.
Pressure.
Phone rings.
Ring, ring.
I answer. Hello? Good. The person says, Hi, is this Sam?
I say, yes, this is Sam.
Perfect. Then say, How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Very good.
What if I don't understand them?
Very important. Say, Sorry, I didn't understand.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Or, Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
Good.
I like these sentences.
Yes, they give you control.
Okay, I feel calmer now.
That's the goal.
What if I need time to think?
Good question. Say, 1 moment, please.
1 moment, please.
Again.
1 moment, please.
Perfect.
That helps me relax.
Yes, small pause helps.
I think I can handle calls now.
You are improving.
Not perfect, but better.
That's enough.
Let's try one more situation.
Okay. You call to cancel your reservation.
Oh, that's important.
Phone rings.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello, I want to cancel my reservation.
Very good. Or, more polite, I would like to cancel my reservation.
I would like to cancel my reservation.
Perfect.
They ask, what name?
You say,
My name is Sam.
Good. They say, Okay, done.
Easy.
I say, Thank you.
Perfect.
I end the call.
Done.
Wow, I can call, answer, and fix problems.
Yes, all with simple English.
I feel different now.
Tell me.
Before, I was afraid of phone calls. Now, I feel ready to try.
That's a big change.
Even small sentences helped me.
Simple English is powerful.
Let's remember key sentences.
Yes, quick review.
Hello.
Start.
I would like to book a table.
Reservation.
What is your address?
Ask info.
Can you repeat slowly?
Help.
Can you spell it?
Clarify.
How can I help you?
Answer call.
1 moment, please.
Think.
I would like to cancel my reservation.
Change plan.
That's it.
Simple, but very useful.
You don't need big English.
You need clear English.
Speak slowly.
Stay calm.
Keep practicing.
You will improve every day.